friends, welcome. Today again we'll make some crafts out of old CDs. If you haven't seen the first part, check the description box. We are making a lamp, lantern, a wind chime or a sun catcher today. So let's start. So what we are going to make today is we are going to remove the silvery or the written portion of the CDs to get a transparent CD. So for that what we'll do is we'll take a sharp object and just scratch the CD a little bit. Then take a sellotape and stick it onto this part and just pull it away in the opposite direction. Keep on doing this and you will get a transparent CD. Okay, so this is what we've got. If there is anything remaining, just scrub it away with a scrubber. Now once we get this, what we're going to do is create something like this with the help of liners and glass colors. If you don't know how to use the glass colors, check our DIY video on glass painting in the description box. So now let's start with this plain CD. We're going to use an outliner. This is a white outliner from Fevicryl. Then we'll use Fevicryl glass colors, one marker and a ruler. Additionally, I'm using the stencil with different shapes. You can draw it freehand as well. So just draw any abstract drawing, a geometrical design with the help of ruler and the stencils, some lines, some circles, triangles, wavy shapes, whatever you want. So once you finish this, we'll use the outliner to draw onto that and complete the whole design with the help of it. You can use any other outliner also, like a glittery gold one or a silver one or any other color. So once you've done this, we'll fill it up with the glass colors and this is how it will look. So I have 3 pieces done here in 3 different designs. So let's see what all we need for the lamp and the chimes. So these 3 pieces which we have made from the CDs, then a dangler thing for the chime. You can use something like this from the different games or toys. Then a sellotape. Instead of the sellotape, you can use the glue or the glue gun and this particular bangle which I have covered, or you can use any circular thing. So we are going to make the lamp first. Okay, so let's start with the triangular lamp. Arrange the objects like this and then stick it up using the sellotape. First we'll stick up the base. Secure it nicely. You can use the glue gun for more permanent effect. Once this is done, we'll stick up the sides as well with the help of the sellotape. Make sure your colored face of the CD faces outwards, okay? So here we finish it up for the last side. Secure it up nicely with the sellotape or the glue and then your lamp is ready. I'm using a plain CD with the silver base to keep it on. You can use the same thing as a lantern, just upside down, and hang some things down here and then you use it as a lantern. Now just put a candle or a diya inside it. This is the top view how it looks. Hope you liked it. So next one is the wind chime or the sun catcher. For that you'll need the CD. You can use a pipe for the wind chimes or some dangling staff, a thread, sellotape and scissors. I'm using sellotape here. You can use a glue or glue gun. So just stick the dangling staff onto the one end, the lower end, and make a loop of the string and just stick it on with the help of sellotape. Since this is lightweight, you can use a sellotape or you can else use a glue. So here it is ready to be hanged. You can hang multiple ones for the bali and just pass a light mala behind it. So that's all for now. Hope you liked it. We'll explore some new ideas of CD crafts in the next one. Bye. For more such videos and updates, subscribe to the channel and click on bell icon.